I'm not out. I'm not. Namaste. Today we're gonna make some condensed milk after 2 days hour, and then we'll put some condensed milk on its head to eat her to pajamas.
Good job. Let me say it. Today we're going to make an Indian sweet called Peda.
And sweet.
I'm making this Peda for my little brother's birthday. Since COVID-19 is here, we cannot go to any of the stores. So we are making Peda at home. The ingredients are 3 tablespoons of ghee. If you do not have ghee, then you could use unsalted butter. You will also need 1 cup of dry milk powder, half cup of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons of milk. First, I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of ghee. Now I'm going to put in 1 cup of dry milk powder. A half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. And I'm going to mix it well.
This is yuck. This is yucky. This is yucky.
Hey, as you see, I've mixed it well. Now I'm going to put in the microwave for 1 minute. Since it will be hot, I'm going to ask my mom for some help. If you're uncomfortable doing it, then you could ask your parents to help you too. Mom has taken it out of the microwave after 1 minute. It's very hot, so I'm not going to touch it. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk in it and some cardamom seeds. If you don't want to add cardamom seeds, you don't have to. They're optional. I have mixed it well, so I'm going to put it in the microwave again for 1 minute. I've taken it out from the microwave and mixed it well. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 20 more seconds. The total time it has been in the microwave is 2 minutes 20 seconds. It is very hot, so I'm going to let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. It has cooled down now, so I'm going to make a nice dough out of it. My dough is ready now, so I'm going to put a little bit of ghee or butter on my hands. Now I'm going to take a little piece of it and roll it into a ball between my palms. After making a nice and round shape, I'm going to press it on this and made a design on it. For decoration, I'm going to put 1 little cashew on the top. Risha, you want to help me? Okay, press it like that, okay? Now, As you can see, our para is ready. I hope you liked our video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay home, stay safe.
Stay safe. Subscribe our channel. Now we're done making our pillars. Bye.